Okay, parents, this one is for you. Thank you for helping with the administering of this math test. As I said in the instructions, you are able to read questions to students, and you can help them navigate how to answer, like which buttons to use to answer, and all of that. But please allow them to figure out the content on their own. If they're writing numbers backwards, allow them to write the numbers backwards right now, please. This needs to be as accurate as possible. Just please allow them to answer on their own. Those of you that are going to be administering the test yourself and are not going to be doing it with me, please watch this video so that you know how to submit the assignment. So first we're going to go to Tuesday, and you will find the assignment under Tuesday, Chapter 1 Math Test. Okay, so we click on that one. Here you just have a bunch of information about it. So when it's due, it is due today, September 22nd. The submission type is a file upload, so you're going to be uploading a document for me. And there is an unlimited amount of attempts. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the test. And this is going to look weird because I already practiced on this one. But in order to, this is the test. It has 2 worksheets. So this is the first worksheet. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see the next one. And let me figure out why that keeps switching. All right. In order to answer, you're going to click this little pen at the top, and it's going to give you a toolbar on the side. You have 2 options. You can enter text boxes where they need to go. So that'll give you a text box. I'm sorry, I don't know why this is moving so much. So that you can just type in numbers. The easier way, however, I think might be to just use the pen. So if you grab the pen right here, you can just directly write on this document. Okay, you can write your answers. Of course, I'm just writing whatever numbers go. Obviously, a lot more neat than that. If you need to erase, you can erase, or you can undo using this little back arrow. You can undo anything that's been done. Okay. Like I said, you can read the question to students. So read the question to them, but then they are responsible for answering it on their own. Please do not tell them this goes here, this goes here. They need to figure that on their own. Okay. So for example, I would read this question as write the addition number sentence that goes with the picture. Okay, so you can tell them this is the picture, and then you're going to answer, you're going to fill out the number sentence. We've talked about the fact that this number sentence is like a reading sentence. We read it from left to right. Okay. If students need to draw on here, for example, if they needed to do 1, 2, 3 plus 3 more, they can do that. Or they can use their connecting cubes, whichever they feel more comfortable with at the time. Okay. Circle the true or false. Add the 2 parts, write the whole. For the word problems, I would like for students to underline what they know and circle what they need to find. So for example, 6 cows are eating, 3 more cows join them. So we know that 6 cows are eating and 3 more cows come. Okay. And we need to figure out how many cows are eating now. So we need to figure out how many cows are eating now. Write the addition number sentence. Okay, I know that looks a little sloppy, but you can zoom in a little bit to make that better. If it becomes too sloppy, please erase. All right. I do want students to answer, but please make sure that it is legible. If I can't tell what the number is, then I will be marking it wrong. So please just tell students like, hey, I don't understand what that number says. Can you fix it? Don't tell them which number it should be. Just tell them, hey, you need to fix that number. It looks too sloppy. Okay, so there are two. Now I'm going to show you how to submit this. Once you're all done, you are going to click this little box right here. And you are going to click the Canvas app. Okay, that should bring up the assignment. You can type in a comment if you have something to tell me, something you struggled with or any issues. And then you're going to click submit. I'm not going to click submit because this is a student's test that I'm using as an example. But once you click submit, you should get notification on the page that you turned it in. Okie dokie. So again, once you're all done annotating, once the students are done answering all of their questions, and it would be nice to have them write their name, even though I know it belongs to them. It's a good habit to have them write their name. So again, to turn in, once they're all finished, you're going to click this little box, click the Canvas app, and then you will click submit. Alrighty. Thank you for your help and good luck. Let me know if you need help with anything, if you have any questions. Thank you.